In this video, I will guide you how can you add one more domain in cPanel. So, your hosting plan basically you must have more than one website in your plan. Then you can add one more website in your cPanel. Okay, so you need to open a cPanel, and in this you can see I have opened a cPanel, and the one site is already basically set up, the site. Okay, so how can you add another? So you need to scroll down and click on domains, and then you need to click on create new domain, and then you need to add here, just like open this, and this is the second domain which I want to add. So Control C. So and Control V, I paste the domain and share document root and uncheck this one because we don't want to share document root. And then you need to click on submit. So now text is okay. Now you can see you have successfully added two domains in your one cPanel account. But if it's only possible if your hosting provider allow you to add two websites or more than one website in cPanel. Another problem is if you see here is your domain is not pointed to this server, so it's mean that you have buy the domain from another provider like Namecheap and GoDaddy and from other domain provider, and hosting provider is just like hosted.com. It's mean to it's mean the domain you have buy from another company and hosting is buy from another company. So then you need to set the custom name servers. So when you add the custom name server, then you can easily basically add add a new domain, add a one more domain in cPanel. Otherwise, if you basically not set the custom name server, so then you can see here is a failure or the warning, and the status that your domain is not pointed to this server, so we cannot create a domain. So that's why you need to basically add custom name server. So I have already made a video how to set custom name server. So you can see in this I button. So you can see the video how can you set the custom name server. So when you set the custom name server, so then in the custom name server video, when you check and you set the custom name server, then you can successfully add this domain. So if you have any question, you can ask me through the comments. Thank you.